guys, so today we're going to be showing you how you can take a Mercedes-Benz door handle off. We're currently dechroming it. We've dechromed the window trims, but we want to dechrome this part of the door handle as well. So we're going to show you how to take it off. So first things first, you've got a rubber grommet, which is right here on the side. You can just pull this off. I normally just use my fingers to pull this off. Comes off pretty easy. I like to put all my parts in the door card so I know where they belong. Inside, you will see a small screw, which is a T20. So you'll need a T20. I don't know if you can see that because of lighting, but it is in there and it is a T20. So what you do, you pull the door handle, get a screwdriver in there, unscrew the screw while you're pulling the door handle. Don't let the door handle go. That's it. Once you're there, screwdriver away safely. There's a little part inside the door handle itself. It's like a little plastic clip thing that keeps the door handle in place. After you've unscrewed, it just pulls out. Just like that. And that's what we've taken out. So that to me goes back into the door handle. Now, if you've done this correctly, when I let this door handle go, it should not snap back inside. It should stay as it is. So let's see if that's gonna happen. Woo! That means we've done that correctly. Now, the next thing you want to do, grab your door handle and gently pull it towards this side. That way it can unclip. So we pull it that way, we take it out. And that is how you remove a door handle on a Mercedes. Thank you for watching.